So in this video I'm going to show you how can we open the camera in React Native. Like in the last video we have done the setup of the React Native Expo image picker. How can we import the image from the gallery and multiple images and videos. So in the last video we have done these things. So now in this video I'm going to show you how can we open the camera, like a front camera, back camera and recording. So these things I will be show you. So I don't want to waste your time, so let's get started. So first I'm going to create a one button more, and this is the button, and this button should be a name with the image should be a open the camera, open a camera like this. And also we have a function, so we need to copy this whole function. So we do a little bit changes in this, like we are going to change the image picker to the open the camera function, open camera, so camera. And we need to change this this is the image picker, this is the launch image library. We need to change this to the launch camera like this. And we need to change the video type to the image like this. So now if I click this button, open the camera button, so we are going to open the camera. So by default it will be open the back camera. So let's see, and this is my button, and paste it and save it. So now I'm going to click this button also. Let me make, so if I click this button you can see, so this show the modal of the allow test app to take a picture and record. We are going to allow this. If you don't allow it, so if you are not allowing this, so it will be not open the camera. So we need to allow this. Just click on this, yes. So now you can see it's a simulator, because of that it's showing this, and click and press yes. Now we can see we just open the camera and we take a picture. Now I'm going to show you how can we open the front camera and the back camera. So for that, just go to the function again. So this is my function. Inside the function we have a props camera type. This is the camera type, and this just type image picker dot camera type. In the camera type we have back and front. If you want to open the front camera you need to make it like this. So now we are going to open the front camera. If I click to the button open camera, so now we are going to open the front camera. You can see, so this is the front camera, you can see. And now we open the front camera. If I click, if you want to open the back camera, so just type camera, just change it to the back camera. So in this you can open the back camera like this. So this is the simulator. For that reason we do not see the front camera and the back camera, but in the real device you can see and you can feel it. Now I'm going to show you how can we change it to the video recording. So for that we have a media type, and just change it to the video, live photo or video, just change it. So now if you click to the open the camera like this, so now it will be record, you can see. So now it's recording. So you can see now we can play it also. So it's taking a time to play this, and we do not need to play. Let me back and just cancel. So like this we can open the camera, and also we can record the, so like this we can open the camera in React Native. We can also change it to the front camera and the back camera, and also we can take a picture and we can record the video. So in the next video I'm going to show you more thing about the React Native. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye. Also one thing more, and we do not need the selection limit also. Let me remove this. And also we do not need the a multiple selection in the when you open the camera. So just remove this and just save it, and let me check again. So this is working. So see you in next video. For now, bye bye.